What's going on, guys? It's me Graphico back with another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can make this Fortnite header on Android, and let's get started. Dude, where's my intro?
Making up for teenage crime.
So first what you wanna do is open up Pixel Lab. The link to the application will be down in the description, and type in the name you want in the header. So after you finish typing out the text, you have to open Photoshop Touch. The link to the same application will be down in the description too. Just create a new composition with the dimensions 3000 by 1000 and you're good to go. Make a plain black background and then add the render as I do. The links to all these images will be down in the description box. Adjust the render according to how you'd like it to be placed in the header. Now after you've done that, just add the text that you've saved from Pixel Lab.
Chuki got the sauce, bitch.
Now I'm just adding the simple texture on it to make it look better. Simply add lights to make the header look better. Now after this, just follow all the steps I've done in the video.
Chuki got the sauce, bitch. Chuki got the sauce, bitch. Chuki got the sauce, bitch.
So at this point we are pretty much done with the header. If this video helped you at all, please make sure to subscribe and drop a like on the video. It helps me out a ton. I'll be bringing out more of these tutorials soon for you guys. Peace out.